Marilyn from Willowbrook has a question about her jacuzzi.
Her jets aren't firing. She says, Marilyn writes, nothing happens when I push the button. You know the feeling?
No, every day.
Okay, anyway. She says,
only on a personal basis.
She says the tub
yes.
came with the house that was built in 2002. He says it's in great shape. She says it's the first time she's ever had a problem with it. And she checked the breakers; those are okay. So she's wondering, who does she call for service on this, Tom? Is it an electrician because the jets aren't firing? Is it a plumber? Maybe a pool guy because it's kind of a
no, not a pool guy.
Okay, don't call.
Okay, don't call. They won't show up anyway. No, I don't mean in that sense. They'll just tell you, no, we don't work on jacuzzi tubs. You would call a plumber. Call Abacus Plumbing. Ask them if they'll take care of it. There are certified jacuzzi repair people out there
because it's a brand,
right? And if they're not going to do it, then of course they'll probably know someone, or you can look it up. But it's probably just a switch on there that's not connecting properly because the switches do go bad.
Yeah, the thing you want to Google for that, Marilyn, is jetted tubs. That's the thing you're looking for.
There you go.
I'm just saying.
Google just made another $1.
There it is. Well, and they need that money.
Yeah, I can tell. Okay. They pay out a lot.
Right. But you don't have to pay us. You just send us your question.
Right.
We'll take care of it. Send to HomeShowRadio.com. We'll answer it just like these videos over here. And, of course, you subscribe to our channel. You'll find out when new ones are posted.